drag and move the design, the sleeve around, and now do the same with the other designs. Because of the multiply setting, you have to draw the areas white so the designs are not overlapping. So I do this real quick. I do some white here. Now it's already good. Do some black around it to have some shadings, and again do the highlights of Mother Mary. So now do the same with the third design. I do it with Jesus right now. Drag it where you want, again adjust the size and make the highlights and also the shadows. Now make some shadows around Jesus. I like to lighten the thorns a little bit up so it pops more out, and yes. Now you have to click on settings, 3D, and go to show 2D texture. Now you have the finished design. I hope you like it.